The Cyclotron by Emily Clow. The cyclotron was one of the early particle accelerators made by this guy, Ernest Lawrence. Now he created this particle accelerator to see if it was the most effective way to smash open the nuclei of an atom, although when it became more developed, it was used to help cure cancer. The first cyclotron that was built was 4.5 inches long, and it was built in 1931. It was made up of 2 hemisphere plates, joined together to make a circle. When in use, a particle is ejected into the middle of the circles, between the 2 hemispherical shapes. Due to the surrounding electromagnetic field, the particles are then able to orbit in a circle. As the particles begin to speed up and enter larger orbits, they stay in line with the other particles in the other orbits. Once a particle has reached its ideal speed, it's then ejected out of the cyclotron, where it can then be used to collide with another particle. Okay, now let's break up the science a bit. When electricity and magnetism combine forces, they create a very strong force in a third direction. The electromagnetic wave consists of the magnetic force pulling upwards and an electric force pulling sideways. This automatically creates a force to the diagonal of these waves. This force is what causes the particles to orbit in a circle. So we now know why a particle makes a circular motion, but we need to know what makes it speed up. The 2 hemispherical plates are the reason that the particles are able to accelerate. The 2 plates are able to change charges at the exact right time. This means one plate is able to attract the particle whilst the other repels it. Then at the last moment, they switch charges so that the particle will hurry away from one of the plates towards the other one. This accelerator works with accelerating most particles to a certain speed, but when the particles get close to the speed of light, then the charges in the plate can't keep up with the particles. This is why the cyclotron was one of the early accelerators and isn't used as often by itself today.